Excella is open for all branches and GPA is not an essential parameter at all. So I was hired for an analyst role in which we had to research various financial markets and trade the financial instruments. As far as the selection procedure is concerned, we had 4 rounds. The first 2 were speed, maths, and aptitude based. You didn't have very tough questions, you just had to maintain your accuracy and speed. And then we had a trading game which was played in groups, and then we had an HR and technical interview in the end. After that, we had a work from home internship which was 6 weeks long, and then I got the PPU. I always wanted to go into finance or consulting, so during my summer I did a few courses on finance, and apart from that I practiced speed maths and some basic aptitude. That's it. I would say that the competition is there, but it's not very high because most of the people are preparing for IT roles and not many people are genuinely interested. So if you're genuinely interested, then you have an edge over everyone else. And but still you have to prepare because it's open for all and everyone will be looking to get an internship over the summers. So yeah. First of all, the internship was converted to work from home, which was a very big letdown for me. But nonetheless, it was a very fascinating and new experience. We were trading and researching in the US Treasury bonds market and learnt about how the economy works and how the government and federal banks are responsible for ensuring the financial stability of the country and basically impacting our life on a day-to-day basis even. So the whole experience was very positive for me and I learnt a lot. I've heard many good things about Excella, but I couldn't experience all of them because the whole internship was work from home. But I learnt a lot and looking forward to actually going and working in a new city. I think a lot of students don't know what specific role they want to intern in, so they end up over preparing and preparing for way too much, which is unnecessary. And apart from that, many people start focusing on the interviews and the project side of things before they have cleared the first few rounds. So the first few rounds are the major hurdle and you should pay more attention to that. This question is very specific to each company, so you just have to fit into what they're looking for and show genuine interest and work genuinely. So I think that's the key. So yeah, I'm part of Lights Camera SM and also the Lawn Tennis Club, and I think that sports has taught me that taking risks is important and losing is also a part of the game. These are two things that I really value. Apart from that, interacting with people and participating in all these contests and activities, it develops your soft skill in a way that makes you a well-rounded individual, and companies are looking for that. They don't want a robot or a machine, so they want a well-rounded individual, and I think everyone should be a part of a club and get involved in extracurricular activities in college. Almost everyone is aware that the present academic curriculum is very outdated, and I think there should be more incentives for people to participate in contests and hackathons and stuff like that. I think reintroduction of minors is a very good step in that direction. And for everyone else, I just think you should take time outside of the curriculum and do courses on Coursera, Udemy, and there are many platforms and resources available. Adding to that, I think the college needs to put in some active effort into bringing in more non-core companies in fields like finance, research, and consulting. The most important takeaway for me was that there are a lot of high, good quality jobs outside of IT and core, and very few people are aware of that. And it will take a lot of effort, but if you're genuinely interested, you can get into those fields. Also, some fields are very high risk, high reward, and some are low risk, low reward. So it depends on what kind of attitude you have and what do you want to pursue, and yeah, you should choose accordingly. My advice to juniors would be to participate in everything and build a good all around personality, because that's what really matters in the end. And especially in first and second year, you should explore almost every field, and you should not dismiss anything as being too hard or unachievable. You should just try out everything and just work towards what you like, because there are many opportunities out there. And yeah, enjoy college life and all the best for your internship season.